This is the stairwell that enters into our basement. This side we call the danger room because there's this sudden drop-off without any kind of railing. So we thought, hey, let's put a door here. Problem is, we've got a structural beam right here and this vent, so we can't have a door that swing out. This is really too narrow of a space to have anything swing in over this side. So we thought, hey, let's put in a barn door, that'd be fun. Part of the challenge, though, is that there's nothing across here for the railing of the barn door to hold on to. And if we had it on this side, on the structural beam, there'd be this gap over here that a little kid or a cat or whatever could come through. I think I'm going to need about 6 vertical inches for the railing that the barn door is going to run along. So I just cut a piece of 2x6, and I'm going to screw it into the existing studs. Adding the hardware to the door was pretty simple, but attaching the track to the wall was ridiculously tough. Why does that track come in 2 pieces with just a screw and some washers to hold it together? I actually had to tape the level to the first part of the track to drill the holes for the second. Next time I buy a barn door, I'll make sure it has a single long track. Also, the space is really tight and lack of a second set of hands always makes these projects tough. Look at that. This little piece goes into this part of the door to keep it sliding properly. It's supposed to be at a spot between closed and fully open, and there's nothing to screw it into here, so I'll have to get a little piece of wood. So I cut out a little bit of the carpet and glued a bit of scrap 2x4 to the floor. Then glued another scrap on top of that one. Alright, that's pretty solid. Just a little bit left. I need to attach some handles, and more importantly, a latch, so that my little niece can't get down into the danger. Baby-proof. This is my new house in West Seattle. It's a century old, with half a century of deferred maintenance, and a couple of odd decisions by the last homeowner. Subscribe to my channel to catch all the different projects that I undertake to get this place updated.